that asked me if I had time, and I was more than happy to do it. And after coming here, I feel like I would love to come and be a part of this every year, because if in our small honestly, we are not as busy as we seem. So it was not a very big thing. For me, this is my first time here, and I think Varun had come here the last time, and he had put me on to this event, and he said that asked me if I had time, and I was more than happy to do it. And after coming here, I feel like I would love to come and be a part of this every year, because if in our small way we can contribute to making someone else's day better, and who are going through troubles that are harder and harsher than we face in our lives, and it's a very small thing for us to do. And apart from that, it's a selfish thing, because I feel more positivity, I feel happier. They've brought happiness into my day, into my life, and into my way of looking at things. So we're not that busy. This is a very small thing for us to do, to contribute.
So how was your experience?
I'm not very well versed with this subject, so I don't know if I can comment anyway. But I think it makes common sense.
Film subsidy means you can go there and you have a subsidy of 2 crore rupees in Jharkhand. Your brother is one of the foremost producers of Bollywood. So उनको काफी help मिलेगी.
But if everyone is benefiting from it, and the state is benefiting, the filmmakers are benefiting, and it's doing good, then there's all positivity. Then I don't see any reason why it's a wrong thing.
और क्या थोड़ा सा झारखंड ना लोगों के दिमाग में ये रहता है झारखंड छत्तीसगढ़ को लेकर कि यार वहाँ पे तो ये दिस इज द परसेप्शन एक्चुअली ग्राउंड रियलिटी वो नहीं है वो परसेप्शन को भी क्लियर करने के लिए आई थिंक इज अ वेरी गुड दैट थिंग